Dog fight! Get a better view of this. Oh no, don't interfere. Small dog versus little dog. I want to get a better view of this. The black versus white, the Crips versus the Bloods. Crips versus the Bloods. Roll over. Yay. This is dog's love, I guess. I'm guessing. Oh my God, what are they doing it?
Nick, they're doing it.
Are you serious?
I think they're doing it.
It looks pretty rough.
Oh yeah, that's how dogs do it these days.
Right. Taking a break, going back.
Not over yet.
No. Who will win the fight? Oh yeah, she gets a comfy spot. They found a comfy spot. I'll get that. Are they playing? Oh my God, she got him pinned down.
No, I think they're actually fighting.
Who will win the fight?
Dog on dog action. Straight from my house.
Okay. Oh!
And the surprising thing is, one of them's female.
Yeah, walk away.
Male.
Walk away. No! I told you to walk away. Whoa. Are you gonna let this happen, Ken?
Hey, they've done this all the time.
We should give them a bigger arena. Open the door.
No.
No, okay.
It's good here.
Throw the blanket over them and see what it looks like.
Hey. And that was 3 minutes of dog fights with my dog.